Hello my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome back to my new video. Here is the moment you all guys waiting for. Now in this video we are going to build our very first Hello World program, and without wasting any time, let's go. Let me just run the code blocks, and here is our code blocks. Okay, let it run. Okay, here is our code blocks. To make a Hello World program, we just have to create a new project. So let me click create a new project. Okay, here we have to go for the console application, and definitely we are going with C. Click next, and here we have to give the project title. So let me type Hello World here. Okay, now click next, keep all the settings as default, and then click finish. Here as you can see, our Hello World project is created, and here you can find the source file. Okay, and here as you can see, a Hello World program is already present here, but I have to teach you how to make out this all. So let me just get rid of this program, let me remove it. Okay, and now let me just increase the font size, and I think this is enough. Okay, and before typing any of the programs anywhere, you must mention what you are going to perform in it and what kind of program you are going to code for. And for this you just have to use /. Anything you write with a // will be a comment, and it has no connection, any connection with the output or the output screen. So let me just type here with the // program in C to print Hello World. Okay, here is a silly mistake, let me remove it. Okay, now we are done. Okay, now we are in a position to start writing our C program. Okay, to write a C program we just have to mention the header file first. So let me just type a header file which is required to make Hello World program. So with the hash include square bracket, here I am mentioning the standard input output header. Okay, stdio.h, and close the square bracket. Okay, and what a header file do, I'll tell you later in this video. And next we are going for the main function followed by the braces, and as per the name, it is the main function of our program, and all the operations are going to be performed in it by calling our main function. Okay, as it is a very simple Hello World program, we just have to print the Hello World on the output screen. We just have to use here a very simple printf statement. Okay, so let me just type here printf in the bracket and with the double quotes. Anything we want to print on the output screen, we just have to type inside the double quotes. Okay, so let me just type here Hello World. Okay, here is our text Hello World, and this statement is followed by the semicolon. If you don't put a semicolon here, our program will show an error. Let me show you here. Let me just run this program without semicolon. Okay, as you can see, it is showing error. Now let me put here a semicolon, and now here is the output. As you can see, Hello World is printed on the output screen. Okay, how our programs know what action or the operation is to be performed? How this program know that Hello World is to be printed on the output screen? This is all done with the help of header files. Keywords like printf, which we are using here, have their predefined meaning inside the header files, without which our program can never run. Okay, so this is our header file, and here are a few things which I want to tell here. We can use here clear screen function and followed by the semicolon, otherwise it will show an error. We use clear screen function to clear the output screen. There is another function which is known as getCh and followed by the semicolon. This function is used to hold the output screen. Okay, but both of these functions are not needed here. Okay, so let me just remove both of these functions. But where are they needed? If you are using turbo, then it is very important to use both of these functions, but in the code block you just don't have to use both of these functions. Okay, your program will run absolutely very fine. Okay, so let me just run the program again. Okay, here's our output. Okay, so this is all what I want to tell you in this video, and from the next video we will be learning some fundamentals of the C programming language. Okay, this is Shoaib signing off, and I will catch you in the next video.